Hello, it is Fiorentina coming to you today to bake peach apple cream pie. So this is what we do. We have our peaches and apple mixed and peaches and apple, 4 cups. Now we're going to make our pie crust. 2 tablespoons sugar in the bowl. I have 2 2/3 cup flour, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon, if I can get this open, of salt, one teaspoon of salt, 1 cup cold butter, 1/2 cup of butter, but I don't have butter, so I'm using margarine. This is a very good recipe I found online, but it didn't have as much fruit in it. I'm making it with more fruit. It had 2 apples, but I find for a pie, 2 apples is not very much, so I'm using more. So I got here about a 1/2 cup of butter. Maybe a bit more, but that's all right. And what do we add? We mix. We mix. Mix, mix, mix. Mix it very well, because if you mix it well now, it will be very easy to mix into a dough ball when you add the water. How much? 1/3 cup ice water. Of course, make sure you have washed your hands. Always wash your hands when you cook. How much? 1/3 cup. We will mix that. May need more water. We're going to need more water. This time we shall add 2 tablespoons. Oh, when you cook, everything goes. You have to cook every day if you want to eat. We all want to eat our suppers up like good boys and girls. Now, like good guys and dolls. Now, bit more water. Maybe a bit more butter too. I'd add more butter. The recipe called for 1 cup of butter, but I used a half a cup. I think for 2 cups and 2 cups and 2/3 of flour, 1 cup of butter. It's quite a bit, but it does make it richer. Just depends on how rich you like your pie and how much you have to spend on your pie. Now, okay, this is coming together nice. That's enough. That's quite enough. Now, okay, we have a good dough. You see how it sticks together? Forms a ball. Now, I shall mix the sink. Wash my hands. Okay, there. Now, what do we do? Now, we set that aside. Okay. Okay. Now, in a pot, combine a half cup of sugar, sugar, just under a half cup. Yeah, half cup of sugar. A half cup of milk. Don't want it to spill. A half cup of milk. A half cup of cream. Open your thing. A half cup of cream. They say have heavy cream. You can use heavy cream, but I like to use half and half. Oh, Lord. A half cup of cream. And a quarter cup of butter. Again, I'm using margarine. Quarter cup of margarine. Heat this over medium-high heat until the butter is melted. And I will be back with part 2.